Why your environment matters for focus.
A well-designed environment helps boost focus and productivity. The digital spaces we use every day, our phones, computers, and tablets, can either promote concentration or overwhelm us with distractions. By intentionally setting up these spaces, you set yourself up for better work, less stress, and a healthier balance between tasks and downtime.
Blocking distractions with productivity apps.
Productivity apps like Focus at Will, Freedom, and Forest are designed to block distractions and help you stay on task. These tools limit access to distracting websites and apps, schedule focused work sessions, and even use background sounds to encourage concentration. By using them, you can train yourself to maintain attention for longer periods.
Creating mindful work routines.
Apps such as Todoist and Notion help organize tasks and break large projects into manageable steps. Setting daily or weekly goals using these tools encourages mindfulness, making it easier to prioritize what's important and say no to multitasking, which often leads to burnout.
Promoting work-life balance with digital tools.
Wellness apps such as Headspace and Calm encourage regular breaks for relaxation and mindfulness, which are crucial for mental health. Setting reminders for breaks, guided breathing, and movement can help prevent stress and improve resilience over time.
Personalizing your focus-boosting setup.
Everyone's needs are different. Customize your app setup by combining task management tools, distraction blockers, and wellness timers that fit your work style. Regularly review and adjust your digital environment so it continues to support both productivity and overall well-being.